Okay guys, to enable WordPress multi-site, we would need to go through some settings. First, we would need to deactivate our activated plugin. Then we would need to go to Tools, Network Setup. Then we would pick the address type. I usually choose subdirectory, but you can choose either one. Then we can name our network hosting service. Okay, then your email, then hit install. Now we would need to go back to our cloudways account. From here we would need to create the username and passwords for us to log into FTP. Okay, now we copy the IP address. Then we would need to create a username. Okay, hit add. Now that we created the FTP username and password, we will need to open FileZilla. Then we paste the IP address here, the username, password. Then the port is 22. Now we hit connect. We will need to go back to our WordPress admin panel. Now we just need to copy these code, then paste it into our wp-config.php. Okay, now we go to FileZilla. Now that we log into our server, click on public, then find that file wp-config.php. Then we view and edit. All we have to do is just paste this code into our file to enable the WordPress multi-site. Okay, let's close this. Okay, we have to paste it above the -r stop editing. We can paste this here. Then click command save, or save this file, save file. Then we would need to confirm with the FileZilla for it to upload the changes. Now we would need to edit the htaccess file, view and edit. Then we would need to copy this code right here, copy, and go back to FileZilla. Actually, go back to your code editor, and we would need to replace this part right here, rewrite engine on, to the L right here. Then paste the code you just copied. That's it. Save it and confirm with FileZilla. Okay, now go back to WordPress. We will need to reload this page, and then it will ask you for the login once again. Okay, refresh, then login one more time. Then we go over here and copy the admin password. Go back over here, paste it here. There we go. Now login. That's it, guys. Now WordPress multi-site is enabled. Okay, we can go over here to change the password for our user. Right here, we can generate a new password. You can enter anything. Okay, then hit the update profile. Okay guys, in the next video I will show you how to install WP Ultimo and all the settings that come with it. I'll see you in the next video.